And there, he's got one, definitely.
Yes, definitely one.
Yeah.
Definitely one.
Yeah, that is the sunrise coming up. We're on a 6 o'clock start this morning because me and David are off on our fishing adventure. So we're going to do a bit of deep sea fishing, and those of you who are interested, we're going to just show you what you're likely to catch in this time of year, May, and what you can get for your money. So let's see you out there. Right, we're here at the launch. Nice clear water. Cargtay's just unhooking the boat, and this is going to be our little home for the next 6 or 7 hours.
Right, we're off. It is a little bit chilly. Well, we're just going over the sandbank, and we can see the difficulty the boats will have as the goats graze on the rocks. And I can't see this getting any better. It's just nature's way. Also, a lot of boats come up from Marmaris, bring lots of tourists into the town. At least 400 people a day, somebody told me. So I don't know if you can hear me over the noise of the engine, but we've come right down the Thatcher Peninsula here. Right ahead of us is Marmaris, and a little bit to the left of that you'll have Ishmara and Turunch as we find our spot. Oh my god. So we'll use a squid for bait.
Go down.
Yeah.
You will do like this.
Yeah.
And you will turn a few times.
Yeah.
And then it will go on the way. And when the fish are attacked, you
Yeah.
will understand.
Yeah.
Don't attack with. Don't roll with small bites.
Yeah.
You wait for big one, and then you need to be fast and strong.
Right.
Okay.
So we're at 135 meters to the bottom of the ocean here. We're in deep, deep water. Look at that reel go.
Oh, left out at the bottom. Yeah, it's weird. Do I bounce it like you normally do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we just pulled up at a little island for a toilet break.
Right.
I mean, Dav's on the rod. The calamari. Wow, look at all those gulls. Just for you, Dave, back there in the Argyle. Look at this
surroundings. Just fishing with our pal here. And we're after red snapper. But we will take a grouper. Right, they're definitely not biting. This is our third stop. We've had a nibble, but we just can't hook them on. There is a definite technique. The mouth is too small for the hook sometimes, and you've got to bring that hook into the fish. As you can see, we've got intact bait there. So we're going to try another spot. So stopped.
Look at it over you, you've got to.
Right.
No, it's coming.
Have we got one?
It's with a smallish whatever.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We've got one.
Yes.
Let's check that.
It is here.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we've got our fish.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Happy days.
Well done.
Wow, what we got there? Red
That's snapper.
snapper.
Yes, but small. Very small. But still, it's a fish.
Can we keep or throw? Is it big
Up
enough?
to you.
Is it big enough to eat?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll keep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Got to take it back, haven't we?
This is the most delicious one.
David is giving his his piece to Poseidon. What have we caught?
Don't turn around. No. Take it up.
It's a Murray eel. Murray eel. I'm going to say it.
Can we get that? Yeah, we got that. Is it dangerous, electric?
It's dangerous. It bites.
We caught another one of these eels. Trust me. If you're not careful. We don't want to be catching. We might as well move on because see you later, you little. Right, so they've just got another one of these snakes. What are they called again? Moray.
Called Moran.
Well, if you're relying on that for food, I've been unlucky. I give up. Just going down there. We're at 88 meters. There you go. Oh. So I can't bring both here. I've done it. Yeah. Thank you. Right, so we just stopped. The fish radar's on.
Oh, good. In one piece. Yeah. That'll do for me.
Well, we may have a bite. Oh, fisherman's tail. Coast Guard.
Yes.
Cargtay's on the left hand side. And there, he's got one, definitely.
Yes, definitely one.
Yeah,
Definitely one.
come on, big. Let's get this in.
Bigger is a bit?
Yeah, it feels a little bit bigger.
Yes.
See what comes up.
But they don't want to come up.
Have you got one? It's still coming. Problem is we're at a depth of about 100 meters here. Right, so I'm filming and helping.
Okay, I'm coming. Give it up. Because we are all
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good.
Second one.
Nice one. If you catch 4 or 5 of this, it's enough for you.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
Make a barbecue.
Yeah. There we go. You're knackered.
It's a long way to come up.
Yeah.
I much prefer the going down part. That's smashing it, isn't it? Right.
Brilliant. Well done, us. Right, we've had a little bit of success. We've caught 2 red snapper, and now we're looking for calamari, which tends to be in the rocks, in little hiding places. We're going to try and tease them out in this beautiful bay.
As close as you can throw the post. Yes. Yeah, yes, please.
Absolutely stunning water, isn't it?
Is that the right retreat?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good cast. So I'm going to move forward. Wow, look at that. Loads of little coves, little secret beaches, little caves. And then we turned up. How did they get there? There's no boat. How did they get there with no boat?
Our boat bring them here and
Oh, yeah,
they
possibly.
will come get them later.
Unlucky.
They see far. So anyway in front.
as near to the rocks as possible.
Yes.
We just get in this now. Just look at the colour of the water. So no luck on the calamari front. Very difficult to catch it this time of the year. But Cargtay was telling us he brought in 20 kg. Right, we're off. Stuff it. Well, we're probably on our last cast of the day here. We've just lost 2 bits of bait. They are biting. Well, that's us back on dry land after a fabulous day fishing. And if you want to do this tour, Cargtay is available for hire. It usually is best on a Wednesday, a Saturday or a Sunday, and if you want his details, more than happy to give them to you. But from now, we'll see you on the next episode. And just so you know, we cooked the fish from our fishing trip. We've got a bit of aubergine there for some pepper ganoush, roasted garlic, and of course the squid, which we didn't get on film. And yeah, we've done the squid. We've done 2 potato salad. Obviously there's tuna, and we've got some red snapper. Absolutely brilliant. Well done all of us.